Hola, language learners. So have you been watching the World Cup in Spanish but have no idea what the commentators are saying? Well, here are 10 soccer words you need to know. When you hear the commentators say futbolista, that means soccer player. Number 2, falta. Falta is a foul. Number 3, portero. Portero means goalkeeper. Number 4, tiro libre. Tiro libre is a free kick. Number 5, árbitro. Árbitro is a referee. Number 6, tarjeta amarilla. Tarjeta amarilla is a yellow card. Number 7, tarjeta rojo. Tarjeta rojo is a red card. Number 8, fuera de juego. Fuera de juego means offside. Number 9, tiempo añadido. Tiempo añadido means added time. And of course, the phrase every fan wants to hear, goal. Goal means goal. Great job, language learners. Stay tuned for part 2 of Soccer Words in Spanish. Please like and subscribe for more. Adelante.